Charlie Hoffheimer. I want to talk about a truth that's kind of hard to stomach sometimes in divorce. And that is, in divorce, the law is not always about being fair. It's the law. Now, what do I mean by that? Recently, I've had several women visit me who, due to unusual circumstances, will not get all that they thought they would get as a result of how their husbands handled certain assets or received certain properties or money. Now, in one case, the husband had been previously divorced, and he had a lump of money that he possessed prior to his remarriage. So when he remarried, he took all that money, put it in a checking account, and basically paid the mortgage and down payment on a new home that he and his new wife moved into. Years later, when they divorced, the wife found out that he had never made one payment on the house from marital funds, and as a result, the entire home was his due to the fact that it was totally paid for by separate funds. Now, this is an extreme example, but it does happen. And not too long ago, I had a situation where a client had her husband had a big inheritance, and they put money into certain investments, etc., and she thought that they were marital funds, when in fact, because the funds were traceable and because they were part of an inheritance, she really had no interest in those funds. So it's very important that you know the source of funds that pay for marital assets. And this is a unfortunate circumstance that occurs in divorce cases when people think that the fair thing is going to happen, when in fact what occurs does not appear to be very fair, especially to the spouse who's adversely affected. So the law is not always fair, and it's important that you have an attorney who looks into these matters and tells you right up front what you are entitled to, or what you may be entitled to, and what you may not be entitled to. I hope this is helpful. If you read my book, What Every Virginia Woman Should Know About Divorce, it will give you some of the rules on how to determine what is separate property, what is marital property, and what's hybrid property. Thank you.